We've all been there, haven't we? That persistent feeling of being drained, of dragging ourselves through the day, even after what we think is a decent night's sleep. It's a widespread experience, a shared struggle in our fast-paced modern lives. This isn't just about feeling a bit sleepy after a late night, it's a deeper, more pervasive sense of fatigue that seems to cling to us, impacting our ability to focus, enjoy activities, and simply function at our best. Constant tiredness can seep into every aspect of our daily existence, affecting our work, relationships, and overall quality of life. It's more than just wanting a nap, it's a persistent cloud that hangs over us, making even simple tasks feel monumental. So, if you're feeling this way, know that you're not alone, and there are steps you can take to reclaim your energy. Before we dive into solutions, it's crucial to distinguish between normal tiredness and something more persistent, like chronic fatigue or persistent fatigue. Everyone feels tired after a strenuous workout or a long day. That's normal. A good night's sleep usually fixes it. Chronic or persistent fatigue, however, is different. It's a relentless exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. Symptoms can include muscle aches, brain fog, difficulty concentrating, headaches, sore throat, enlarged lymph nodes, and post-exertional malaise. A worsening of symptoms after even mild physical or mental activity. If you experience several of these symptoms, alongside constant fatigue for an extended period, typically 6 months or more, it's important to consider that it might be more than just needing extra sleep. So, how do you begin to pinpoint the cause of your constant tiredness? A self-assessment can be a helpful starting point. Consider these questions. On a typical night, how many hours do you sleep? Is your sleep restless, or do you wake up feeling refreshed? What does your diet look like? Are you consuming mostly processed foods? Or are you eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables? How would you rate your stress levels on a scale of 1 to 10? And how much physical activity do you get each week? Are you mostly sedentary, or do you engage in regular exercise? Honestly answering these questions about your sleep habits, diet, stress levels, and physical activity can provide valuable clues about potential contributing factors to your fatigue. It's about taking stock of your current lifestyle and identifying areas where adjustments might be beneficial. One of the most crucial factors in combating constant tiredness is improving your sleep hygiene. This refers to establishing healthy habits that promote restful sleep. Start by creating a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Next, optimize your sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine. Develop a relaxing pre-bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, a physical book, not on a screen, or practicing gentle stretching, and perhaps most importantly, avoid screens, phones, tablets, computers for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted can interfere with melatonin production and disrupt your sleep. Beyond sleep, your diet plays a pivotal role in your energy levels. Think of food as fuel. Processed foods and sugary snacks might provide a temporary energy boost, but they inevitably lead to a crash, leaving you feeling even more tired. Instead, focus on eating balanced meals that include lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Prioritize fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These provide sustained energy and essential nutrients, and don't underestimate the power of hydration. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, so aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to drink enough so that your urine is pale yellow. Often, feeling tired is simply your body's way of telling you it needs more water or better fuel. It might seem counterintuitive, but exercise can actually boost your energy levels, even when you're feeling constantly tired. It's a bit of a paradox, but physical activity helps improve circulation, releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects and can improve sleep quality. The key is to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity. Don't feel like you need to run a marathon. Gentle exercises like walking, yoga, or swimming are excellent starting points. Even a short 15-minute walk each day can make a difference. Listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself too hard, especially at first. The goal is to energize yourself, not to exhaust yourself further. Over time, as your fitness improves, you can gradually increase the duration and intensity of your workouts. Chronic stress can be a major energy drain. Learning effective stress management techniques is essential for combating constant tiredness. Mindfulness, which involves focusing on the present moment without judgment, can be a powerful tool. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Deep breathing exercises are another simple yet effective technique. Taking slow, deep breaths can help lower your heart rate and blood pressure, promoting relaxation. Spending time in nature has also been shown to reduce stress hormones. Even a short walk in a park can be beneficial. And don't forget to engage in hobbies you enjoy. Making time for activities that bring you joy can help you unwind and recharge. Poor time management can significantly contribute to fatigue. Feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks can lead to chronic stress and burnout. Learning to prioritize tasks is crucial. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix, urgent/important, to focus on what truly matters. Delegate tasks whenever possible at work or at home. Don't be afraid to ask for help. And most importantly, set realistic goals. Trying to do too much at once is a recipe for exhaustion. Break down large projects into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the overall task seem less daunting and provides a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step, which can boost your energy and motivation. It's important to acknowledge that constant tiredness can sometimes be a symptom of an underlying medical condition. Several conditions can contribute to fatigue, including thyroid issues, hypothyroidism, anemia, iron deficiency, sleep apnea, disrupted breathing during sleep, and depression. These are just a few examples, and there are many other possibilities. If you've made significant lifestyle changes to improve your sleep, diet, stress levels, and physical activity, and you're still experiencing persistent fatigue, it's crucial to see a doctor. They can perform tests to rule out any underlying medical conditions and recommend appropriate treatment. Don't dismiss your fatigue as just being tired. It could be a sign of something more serious. In addition to exploring potential medical conditions, it's crucial to consider the role of vitamin and mineral deficiencies in your fatigue. Deficiencies in vitamins like B12, vitamin D, and minerals like iron and magnesium can significantly impact energy levels. However, it's important to avoid self-diagnosing and blindly taking supplements. The best approach is to consult with your doctor and request a blood test to check your vitamin and mineral levels. This will provide accurate information about any deficiencies you might have. Your doctor can then recommend appropriate supplementation based on your individual needs. Taking supplements without knowing your actual levels can sometimes be harmful, so professional guidance is essential. If you've diligently implemented the self-help strategies discussed, improving your sleep hygiene, optimizing your diet, managing stress, and exercising regularly, and you're still struggling with constant tiredness, it's time to seek professional help. Don't hesitate to consult a doctor. Your general practitioner can be a good starting point. They can perform initial assessments and refer you to specialists if needed. Depending on your symptoms, you might benefit from seeing a sleep specialist to address potential sleep disorders, or a therapist to address underlying mental health issues like anxiety or depression, which can significantly contribute to fatigue. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Take a hard look at your lifestyle. Are there habits that might be contributing to your fatigue? Reducing alcohol and caffeine intake can often make a significant difference. While these substances might seem to provide a temporary boost, they can disrupt sleep patterns and ultimately worsen fatigue. Quitting smoking is another crucial step, as smoking reduces oxygen levels in the blood, leading to tiredness. Beyond substance use, consider the impact of your relationships. Unhealthy relationships can be incredibly draining. If you're in a relationship that's causing you stress or negativity, it's important to address it, whether that means setting boundaries, seeking counseling, or, in some cases, ending the relationship. Don't underestimate the power of short breaks throughout the day. Constant work without respite can lead to burnout and increased fatigue. Incorporating regular breaks allows you to recharge and refocus. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work and focus 25-minute intervals followed by a 5-minute break. During these breaks, step away from your work. Get up and stretch, walk around, or simply look out the window. Short mindfulness exercises, such as focusing on your breath for a few minutes, can also be incredibly beneficial. Even a brief mental reset can make a significant difference in your energy levels and overall productivity. These small moments of rest can help prevent fatigue from building up throughout the day. Social connection is a powerful, often overlooked, factor in boosting both mood and energy levels. Isolation and loneliness can exacerbate feelings of fatigue and contribute to depression. Make an effort to connect with friends and family regularly. Even a short phone call or a quick coffee date can make a difference. Consider joining a support group, either online or in person. Sharing your experiences with others who understand what you're going through can be incredibly validating and empowering. Human connection provides a sense of belonging and support, which can significantly improve your overall well-being and health. Combat feelings of fatigue. Nurturing your social connections is an investment in your energy and happiness. It's tempting to seek quick fixes when you're constantly tired, a sugary energy drink, an extra cup of coffee, or a late-night snack. However, these solutions are often short-lived and can ultimately exacerbate the problem. The key to long-term energy management lies in making sustainable lifestyle changes. Focus on building healthy habits that you can maintain over time. This might involve gradually incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet, finding an exercise routine you enjoy, or establishing a consistent sleep schedule. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your energy levels, rather than relying on temporary boosts that ultimately lead to a crash. It's crucial to manage your expectations. Overcoming chronic fatigue is rarely an overnight fix. It's a process that requires patience, persistence, and self-compassion. There will be days when you feel more tired than others, and that's okay. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate small victories along the way. Acknowledge your efforts and progress, no matter how small they may seem. Remember that setbacks are a normal part of the process. The key is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Treat yourself with the same understanding and compassion you would offer a friend. Gain a deeper understanding of your fatigue patterns. Consider keeping a journal. Track your energy levels throughout the day, noting what activities or factors seem to affect them. Record your sleep patterns, including how many hours you sleep, how well you sleep, and how you feel upon waking. Also, document your diet and exercise routine. What did you eat today? How much exercise did you get? By tracking these factors, you can identify patterns and correlations. For example, you might notice that your energy levels are lower on days when you eat processed foods or when you skip your workout. This information can help you adjust your strategies and make more informed choices to optimize your energy levels. There's a strong link between mental health and fatigue. Conditions like anxiety and depression can significantly contribute to feelings of exhaustion. In fact, fatigue is often a primary symptom of these mental health disorders. It's essential to address any underlying mental health issues in order to effectively combat fatigue. If you suspect that anxiety or depression might be playing a role in your fatigue, consider seeking professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide support and guidance, and may recommend therapy, medication, or a combination of both. Addressing your mental health is not only crucial for improving your energy levels but also for enhancing your overall well-being. Sunlight plays a vital role in regulating mood and energy levels. Exposure to sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which is essential for energy production and overall well-being. It also helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which controls your sleep-wake cycle. Make an effort to spend time outdoors each day, especially in the morning. Even a short 15-minute walk in the sunlight can make a difference. If you live in an area with limited sunlight, consider using a light therapy lamp, which can mimic the effects of natural sunlight. Prioritizing sunlight exposure can be a simple yet effective way to combat fatigue and boost your mood. Constant tiredness can be a significant challenge, but it's not insurmountable. Remember the key takeaways. Prioritize sleep hygiene, nourish your body with a balanced diet and adequate hydration, manage stress effectively, incorporate regular exercise, nurture your social connections, and address any underlying medical or mental health issues. Take proactive steps towards improving your energy levels and overall well-being. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. You have the power to reclaim your energy and live a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Believe in your ability to make positive changes, and remember that you deserve to feel your best.